just in front. A little bit there. Bring him down there. Bear with me on this. Okay, the roof can be sort of like that. I drag some colour down. Just making the outline of this first with a knife. Okay. So yeah, we've got the outline of the building. Doesn't look much now, but hopefully it should look a little bit better by the time I finish with it. Right, let's get some lighter brown. Just drag that down. I'm going to bring this forward a little bit again. So it's quite hard to get the knife past that bit. So it's like creating some old wood. Just dragging that down and put some darker streaks in there, some lighter streaks. I knocked up a tiny little bit of colour for that. Okay. Let's make a little bit darker for the other side. We've got some old wood going on. Cabin or shack somewhere would look great. Oh, thank you so much. Right, yeah, we're doing it. Hang on. Right, I need some bright white, Just there. Oh, my board's getting so filled up with paint. Right, so I'm going to put like a little highlight of this roof on. I forgot that the canvas wasn't locked down, so hopefully it will be now. It's not sticking. Maybe a bit of paint thinners. No, magic white, which is thinner, so it'll help stick to. I want to put some white like outlines on there, so a bit of magic white should do the job. Hopefully. Sorry if I'm in the way. So, something like that. We can put a little door in here. We need some dark. Just a little door so you can get in there. And then we can. You've got to be able to get in there, haven't you? So, and then a bit of little door frame. Let's give them a little window, just maybe somewhere there and there. I think I can just literally tap a little, hopefully just a little bit of, blue on there. Just give the hint of some glass. Is everyone still awake? Duncan, we can't put your WD camper van next to the hut. We're really good watching your process from the brush to that. I got to go, unfortunately, but well done so far. Thanks for being here, Scott. Thanks for the comment as well, appreciate it. Right, let's just put some red. I'm going to go into some red. Just tap. Give this an old sort of... It's got an old roof. Just a little bit of dark under there. This is mad. You can scratch some. Okay, let's put just a dab of white there. Okay. He's a real old one, isn't he? Scratching some boards. Okay, now we can add some little bits of let's just give him a bit of a path. We don't really know where this goes, but it's a path nevertheless. Just scratching some white again, white and light white brown into that. That just goes off into nowhere.